Hey y'all, so I got a huge package from Ritera. So Ritera is I'm gonna put it down actually because it's kind of heavy. So Ritera is a trendy fashion shop, but it actually does do a lot of beautiful dresses. They're super high quality, which I actually did receive 4 dresses from Ritera. You can find a lot of like seasonal outerwear clothing, which I love using, like a lot of their sweaters like for work, or a lot of the dresses like to go out to parties or events. I'm really happy to go ahead and show you everything that I got. If I do have a code, I'll display it in here. I completely forgot if I have a code or not. I'm just gonna be real with you. I think I do. If not, all the links of all of the clothes will be down below in my description box, along with a pinned comment, so you can easily find these dresses for yourself if you are interested. They are a plus size clothing, so they have everything from XL to 5XL, so they're super size inclusive in the plus size range, and I'm really excited. Some of these dresses are beautiful, chef's kiss, perfect for the spring season. So let's go ahead and tune into that video. So the first item I actually want to show you is going to this beautiful baby, how do you say, like baby length dress. It is this beautiful plaid color with a bow. You know how bows are so trendy right now? Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with this dress. Look at how cute this dress is. Look at how cute it is. Do you see this? The bow, you can change it because it is a clip. And it is this plaid baby dress. Look at this. It is adorable. Isn't it so pretty? Oh my goodness. This one specifically is called the Ritera Pockets BowKnot V-neck plaid A-lined mini dress. For me, it's not gonna be so mini because I am 5'2", unfortunately. I got it in the size XL, which is 14-16. It is stretchy on the waist side, so you see, and the bow is interchangeable because it is a clip. So if you want to use this in here, you can. If you want to put it in your back, if you want to put it, I don't know, on your shoulder, you can also do that. But yeah, let's go ahead and try it on. Look at how cute this is. Wait, oh, I have pockets. There's pockets. Oh my goodness, look at how cute this little bow is. It's a little velvet bow. Like I said, it is a clip, so you can clip it on and off if you want to. I'm gonna leave it right there. This cute little design. What is this called? Gingham? I think it's gingham, like picnic tire. And then it is stretchy. It is like this knitted rib material. Oh my goodness, it's so freaking cute. I'm obsessed. Oh my god, never in my wildest dreams did I ever think I would have something so cute. Like, this just reminds me of like my childhood. Like, oh, it's so cute. Back. And it's short. Oh, it's so, look. It's short. It's short. This is like 10 out of 10. I'm obsessed with this. This is so cute. Let me flip you. Look at how cute it is. It's like the perfect size. Perfect size for me too. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed with it. You see how adorable I look? Look at how cute. This is like my dream dress. This is like Wizard of Oz came to life. So freaking cute. So next one that I got is this beautiful red colored dress. I thought this was gonna be perfect for like a date night, that I can wear it out with some cute little heels, or I could wear it, I don't know, to a party. I thought this was gonna be so cool. I couldn't even wear it to work, maybe with like some boots and then like a blazer. It's so cute. Okay, so this one specifically is called Ritera Pocket Pinhole Hem Shirred A-line midi dress. Midi for me is going to be full length because I'm short, and obviously they come in XL to 5XL, and this one only comes in one color. It does have some puffy sleeves. It is ruched in the waistline, and the quality of these dresses, I'm telling you, they are sublime. It is such good thick material. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this beautiful red color. So this is the dress. This is how it looks like. It has the poofy balloon sleeves, but it's still cinched right here on the arm. And then this front part is very stretchy. And then it has the ruffles at the end with the beautiful ruffle designs at the bottom. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Again, all the links down below in the description. If I have a code or a discount, I will let you know. Okay, let's try it on. So here is this red one, which look at how cute this one is. I do like the actual like top part is super stretchy, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable on me. And also the sleeve, like, isn't it so cute? Doesn't it also remind you like you're Pirates of the Caribbean? Like, you know, like I'm in Pirates, you know, I'm the red maid being sold. But I also think it's really cute off the shoulder. Like, look. Isn't that cute too? I really do like this off the shoulder moment a lot. I think it makes it look a little bit better on me off the shoulder. It's a little bit sexier. This part right here is not straining at all. It's still cinched in. It's not really loose. And it has pockets. Yo, I have pockets. Oh my goodness, I have pockets. Do you know how happy it makes me when I have pockets? Do you know how hard it is to find pockets in women's clothing? I have pockets. Ladies and gentlemen, there's pockets. My hands will not be cold. It's very flowy. It goes all the way to the floor on me. Completely floor length because I'm short. So this is not midi. This is floor length on me because I'm 5'2", okay? The ruffles are very nice. Like, look, bottom ruffles. Very pretty material, super thick. It's warm. It's not really like hook holding material. I think this is gonna be perfect for those like chilly, not chilly, more like spring nights into like early summer nights. I think this is gonna be perfect. You might be a little too warm during the summer in this, but I still think it's gonna be perfect for that springtime around right now. So yeah, let me flip you. What do you think? Isn't it cute? I do need to iron it. It's a little wrinkly, but I just need to iron it. Look. It is double lined, I forgot to tell you, but there's a double line, see? So you won't feel indecent or exposed because you have an inner lining. Obviously the pockets, this back. I like this one. I really, really like this one. Let me know what you think. Let me know down below what you think. Isn't that cute? Oh, it's cute. So this one is another short dress. This is supposed to be mini, but for me it's gonna be like knee length because I'm short. This is the rose floral print lantern sleeve v-neck mini dress. I got it in the size XL, and this is in the color black. So it's just like a bunch of roses with a cinched waist, and then you got your long sleeves, which I like that it's long sleeves because it's really hard to find long sleeves, really pretty dresses to wear like to weddings or like to an outdoor event, even to Easter. Like I thought this was gonna be a really cute dress like for Easter as well. It is the v-neck. It is double lined. Can you tell it's double lined? And it has the 2 cinches in the middle. It has sleeves, but they're a little flowy. The sleeve is only single lined, and then the actual bodice is double lined, and then it is roughly at the bottom. It's very pretty, isn't it? Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Okay, let's go ahead and try it on. Okay, I really like this one. Well, doesn't it look so like sophisticated? Doesn't it look cute just from afar? Isn't it so cute? And it's very nicely cinched in. Like it has 3 cinches. I got the first one, then the middle one, and then this one, where this kind of makes it more V-shape and more, oh my god, I'm not even wearing some chicken cutlets. Let me put these in really fast. Hold on. You know what, Ritera? I really like your dresses, but like this one, you could have put some padding in it and it would have been like a 10 out of 10. I really like the V-neck. This top one cinches it in, so accentuates the breast shape. I like how it has a little fluff on the sleeve, and the sleeve is like a perfect length for me. And also, oh, I almost tripped. This is actually like a mini dress on me, which is surprising. Really pretty. Sorry, I was talking to my mirror because I was looking at myself in the mirror, but it's really pretty. Like, let me flip you so you could see the vision. You could see my vision. Do you see it? This is adorable. I feel so cute. Like, I feel so cute in this. Look at this. And it's actually like mini, like it's above my knees. On the back is a little more mini. See? And it's really cute. I'm very comfortable. Like I know it's on, but I hardly feel it on, if that makes sense. Like it's a very, very comfortable dress, and I like that it's hiding the midsection but still making it very feminine with like how flowy it is, how it cinches you into the waist, so it accentuates the waist. I don't know if this is my favorite, but I really like this one. Like I like it a lot. I would totally wear this for a date night. I would wear it to a wedding. I would wear it just out. I don't know if I would wear it to work. It's a little too short for work, but I really like it. Actually, I don't think it's that short. See, let me put some heels on. Hold on. See? Ooh. This feels so twirly. Okay, and then the final dress for the night is the Ritera Pocket Texture Drawstring Waist Floral Mini Dress in the color Flora, size extra large. As you can see, this was just a cute like baby girl dress, summer dress that I thought it was gonna be so cute. Specifically for the springtime because of this nice blue color with the contrast of the pretty little pink flowers on it. I thought it was just like the cutest thing ever. It just reminds me like of a baby doll dress. And I think it's adorable. Midi length, but I think to me it's gonna be maxi because I am short. Theme of the video, I am short. Everything fits me longer than it's supposed to because I am short. It's okay though. Pretty sure it's gonna fit on different lengths, different body types. I got it in a size XL, like I get everything else. This material and quality, like I wish you had like feel-o-vision, kind of like smell-o-vision, but like where you could feel stuff, like I could be like, feel this texture, because this texture feels so, the ADHD in me is just so satisfied right now with this texture. Like stress relief. Stress relief in a dress. It's so cool. It's such, oh my goodness, doesn't this remind you of something of like the olden time, like with the ruffles and then the very beautiful lace design on it? It is so cute and so pretty, and it is a floor length, very floor length. So yeah, very pretty. It has the drawstrings on it, of course, and all of these have the Ritera. Oh, my lights are so bright, aren't they? Ritera I don't know if you can tell. No, my lights are way too bright, but okay, let's go ahead and try it on. OMG, look it. Okay, because you could wear it like this, which is cute, but I think I like it like this. It looks more white on the camera, but in real life it's a blue color. Maybe because my lights are so bright. Wait, what if I can light? I just had to turn off a light. Can you see a blue? Isn't it so cute? Okay, I love the design of it. I like that it has the lace. The lace is really pretty. Isn't it so nice? Like, this is cute. Okay, I might look. You know what I wish though? I wish, the only critique I have is I wish that this right here, I was able to cinch it in because it's a little big on me. Just a little bit big on me. So I kind of wish it was just cinched in a little bit. Or this tie, I could actually cinch it in because I can't cinch it in. This is just for design. Like this little tie, you can't cinch it at all, which kind of sucks. But the material is beautiful. It's not itchy. Like this part, the sleeve is not, you know how sometimes these sleeves are too tight? It's not, and I think I have bigger arms. I think it's such a pretty dress. It's so cute. So let me flip you. Here's the dress. Isn't it so pretty? Sorry. Free show. I think it's really cute. Like I said, I wish this was a little more cinched because I don't know if you could tell, it's a little bit loose on me right here. So I wish this was able to cinch in, but other than that, this is such a pretty dress, like to go to like a birthday party, an outside event, Easter even. Like, it's so cute. See it? I want to like frolic through the meadows or like through some flowers or something. This just feels like I want to go like flower picking. Do you know what I mean? Oh. I like it. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Let me know. Just go. That dress is cute, thank you. So that was the video. I stayed in my favorite dress. This baby gown dress just made me so happy. Like, I'm just so happy in this dress. I don't know if you can tell, but it literally just lightened up the mood of whole haul. It just, everything that I got today was amazing. All 4 dresses just give me so much joy, and I'm so excited to wear them. So you'll be seeing me in a lot of these dresses coming on. Thank you so much, Ritera, for gifting me everything, letting me try everything on, giving you my honest thoughts. If I have a code, it's right here. I think I do have a code. I just can't remember it. I have so many codes, I can't remember all of them, okay? All of the links and descriptions and my size, everything will be left down below in the description box along with the pinned comment, so it's easy for you if you just want to click the comments or click the description box. All of the links are there, all of the information is there. So good luck, happy shopping, happy spring. I'm entering my 31st season as a Pisces and I'm very excited about it. So thank you so much, Ritera. Again, I love you guys all. If you guys like this types of style, types of videos, types of vibes, go ahead and subscribe, like the video before you leave, and don't forget to click the little notification bell so you can be notified of all my future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.